Hello. Today I'll show the next step after we of the activating of the DIstronic Pro at the Mercedes GLE model number 167. So at the step one we just replaced the buttons, and what do we have now? If I start the car, I immediately will see that cruise control and active brake assist inoperative. This is because of the coding are not correct. Now we're gonna fix this, and to do the coding I will use again my tunability plug. It will help us first to do the coding and next to do the radar sensor calibration, which is necessary after we do the coding. So how we do it? The first I will stop the engine and press the start button one more time to have this ignition on. You see the ignition is on and motor is off. Do not press any buttons, like brake pedal. And now I'm gonna plug this to the OBD diagnostic. Okay, I'll try to plug this with one hand. Let's see. Okay, now I plugged. And then we will observe the MBUX screen for the progress. Now we're waiting for the, as soon as coding will be finished, the MBUX screen will blink green 3 times. Now we're waiting for this. It's about 30 seconds, sometimes more. Okay, green. This is mean coding finished, and the blue means calibration started. What does it mean? To help you to understand how the calibration is done, just driving and chasing the car in the front of us. And we put the blue color. It means the calibration process is between the 0% and 32%. Then the screen will become white between 32 and 64%. And then green between above 64%. And then you will see the DIstronic is available at the screen. It means the calibration finished. So do not stop the motor. So start the motor here and do not stop it till the calibration finished. How to do the calibration? I just start driving and I will chase. I will follow the car, and the distance approximately 70 meters and a speed above 50 kilometers per hour. And this calibration takes about like 5 minutes, more or less. So and very useful if you will change lanes. So change lanes, there is no car in that lane, and then I'm changing lane again and following the car at different speeds. And how to check if the calibration moves? The process is still in the process. As soon as you will stop the car at the traffic light, for example, like here, the MBUX screen will start blinking again, and you will see the color of that blinks. And if the color changes from blue to white, for example, I will stop now, and I see still blue, so not enough, so less than 32%. Okay, we will continue on that. We will continue calibrating. So we're just driving. And here is still sign that the system is unoperative. You see this white sign at the cluster. And it's very useful sometimes to do the U-turn. And from my experience, it helps to speed up the calibration a lot. For example, like here, I will do the U-turn. The good is still, I can do U-turn now. Okay, and I will stop here at the bus stop just to see where we are now with the calibration. Okay, the car stop. Okay, we above 32%, but less than 64. So we are in the middle. Now I let all the cars from the traffic light go, and then I will follow them. Just follow them and continue calibration. Okay. Also useful if you can change the lane from small cars, chasing the small cars, and big cars. This is also very useful. It speed up the calibration process. For example, the small car is like 50 meters from me. Okay. Tip: change lanes. Following the car on different distances, and also change speed. But it's important, you have to drive at least like 1 minute following the car, not at the traffic jam. I doubt it will work in traffic jam. It is very important not to stop the car, I mean not to stop the motor, because in this case you have to start the all calibration from the beginning, because it will be aborted, and you have to plug the diagnostic again. Okay, let's check where we now. I will just stop here for a moment and to see. Okay, green. We are near the end. Green means over 60%. Okay. Again, green. Again, the trick is to change lanes. This lane, then I change this one. Okay, this is a message we are waited for. So DIstronic now is available. As soon as DIstronic is available now, I'm turning it on, and you see the green. I set the speed 100, but now it's 70 because we're chasing the car. And you see, it works. I mean, not only increasing the speed, but with following at certain distance, and I can change the distance using this button. I mean, now it's shorter. And now it's longer. Let's see how it stops at the traffic light, because it has to stop automatically. Let's see on that. Okay, it's green and the traffic light, so it's not to zero, but you see it stopped. Now we turn left at certain speed, and then again following the car in front of us. Okay, so this is how it works. Hope you like it. And you can find my contact below in the text message.